Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.